Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's me, Marian. We're still here at Summerside, Prince Edward Island to celebrate Christmas, and today it's December 24. Kakatapos lang namin magsimba ng family ko. Tutur ko lang kayo sa labas ng bahay ng tita ko kung gaano kaganda yung decorations nila this year. Ayan o, hi! Let's go! Ang lamig! Ito yung bahay ng tita ko, guys. Na-vlog ko na to, pero ayan lang yung ayos ng itong Christmas. Ayan si Santa. Yung parol nila, guys, very Pinoy. Galing pang Pinas yan. Nag-moist na yung bintana. Naka-ready na ang handa, guys. Turkey. And yan, lasagna. Ito yung mga handa namin. Ngayong Christmas Eve. Lobster, kare-kare. Dinakdakan. And hindi mawawala. Anong nangyari dito? Parang na-cremate. Na-rate. Shanghai. Fuck, anong sinabi ng red lipstick ko dyan? Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
I-re-reheat ko lang yung turkey. Kasi may dadating kaming bisita. Merry Christmas! Akala mo talaga ako nagluto. Panggap lang. So yun nga, ang plan namin is mag-i-stay lang kami dito hanggang 27 ng 5 AM. Tapos biyahe na kami pa Montreal.
Santa, bantayan mo yan si Johannes.
Ang ulit kasi niya, guys. Pinupukpok yung microphone.
Pukpukin mo ng Christmas tree mo.
Mommy, I love the surprise.
Pag makulit, ganyanin mo.
Do you want to open your gift?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to Santa?
Santa, I want Bumblebee gift.
What gift?
Bumblebee.
How about you? What do you want? Exchange gift na! What's that? Bumblebee! Johannes, what's that? Frank.
Bumblebee.
Wow! Are you happy? What will you think? What will... Yan yan. Ito ba yan yan? Ano to? Kay Tatay JP. Tita Yoyo. Genre. Oh, syempre.
Yay! Parehas! Ano ba yan?
Yay! Back mo! Sabi niya. Yan, may ibibing siya. What's that?
Is that a crayon?
Yeah. For your drawing.
I guess there's still...
Alam niya kung ano, kasi nakahuli niya ako ng nagpapalot. Do you think it's a number blocks?
Yes, I am. It's number block.
Okay, be careful. Be gentle. Wow. Wow. What will you say to mommy first? What will you say?
Thank you. This is it. Hey,
What's that? Big Bus? Are you happy?
This.
Tapos na kami mag-giving, guys. Kumain na rin kami ng dinner, so wala na akong lipstick. Bibingo muna tayo for tonight.
Ito kasi
Tapos na akong magbingo, guys. And nanalo ako ng bigas. Tsaka 3 beses akong bumingo. December 24. And madaling araw na ngayon. Hindi pa rin tulog tong mga to kasi na-overwhelmed sa dami ng regalo sa kanila. Pinagbubuksan lahat.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thanks to you.
And thanks, mommy and daddy.
Thanks, Mommy and Daddy.
Alright, guys. I guess it's time to sleep. Mauubos yung buhok ko sa batang to. Merry Christmas, guys! I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and the rest of the holidays.
Holiday.
Natutulog na kami, guys. Good night. Say good night.
Night.
Merry Christmas. God bless. God bless.
Goodness.
Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!